Okay guys, we're out here doing some ballistics tests for you today, and what we've got here is we have the CCI Velocitor. This is the 40 grain plated jacket or plated hollow point. Okay, this is what CCI refers to as their mini gold dot. The test gun for it is the SP101 in 22. What we're going to do is we're going to shoot it through a chicken. And then we're going to shoot it into jugs, and we're also going to put 4 layers of terry cloth towel over top to simulate heavy clothing. Alright, so I've got kind of high hopes for this because this is one of my loads that I really prefer, and so I'm hoping that it performs well. So let's go ahead and take a shot and we'll see what it does. Alright guys, the setup is a little bit different today. What we're going to be doing is we're going to go through 4 layers of this terry cloth towel because I didn't have my denim with me today. And we got some expired chicken, alright, from a butcher's, and what we're going to do is we're going to shoot through this first. Now this is about 5 inches of meat right here in the beginning, so meat and bone, and then we're going to go into jugs of water, so we'll capture the bullet that way. So this will give us a little bit better representation of actual ballistics. I know chicken's not the same as red meat, but it's a little something. So, and we're going to be shooting through that terry cloth towel, so let's go ahead and get her set up and we'll take the shot. Alright, now this is the CCI Velocitor 40 grain. We're shooting through 4 layers of terry cloth towel into expired chicken and jugs of water. Let's go ahead and take the shot here. With no ears on. Ouch! Crap. 1098 speed there. Okay, so here it is. Exit on that first jug. Entry is right there next to it. And look at this, guys, right here. Actually, yeah, this is the back. It almost exited, but there it is inside. So let's open it up and take a look. Now, the entrance is right there on the chicken. Let's roll it over just right where it's sitting and look at the exit wound.
Right out the wing.
Right out the, oh wow, nice. Okay, so we're gonna open it up and see what's, oh, is it out the wing?
That's what I think right there.
Could very well be, huh? Yeah, that's gotta be it, right? Okay, let's open it up and take a look. These poor chickens, man. They're taking one for the team today. That's what happens when they don't get sold before their expiration dates.
I'd say they kind of smell foul.
Yeah. Okay, now that is awesome. That is kind of what we expect from the CCI Velocitor. Now, the CCI Stinger will mushroom over quite a bit, but this is actually what it's supposed to do by design, the CCI Velocitor. So that is almost perfect expansion for this round. So let me lay it down here so we can get a little closer inspection on it. That is almost textbook expansion from the CCI Velocitor. Okay, so there is our entrance right there. And then you believe it went right out through the... Mora does good work, eh?
It's a very sharp knife. That's an exit coming out right there.
Uh-huh.
And as it goes through...
Oh yeah, you can see it.
Little hole right there. And then we will dissect through this.
Go right through the meat. Yeah, so look at, okay, that's good right there. Okay guys, that's kind of a cross section. But if you can see, like, what it's doing, it's just ripping the heck. That's an exit. Is that through the bone?
Went through the bone.
Is that cartilage? That's cartilage.
Cartilage.
That's the costal cartilage. That's the rib cartilage there, right? Is that where we're at? Yeah.
Does appear to be.
Yeah, right through it. You can see that hole, but look what it's just doing. It's gooing up that meat. It's just shredding it, tearing it apart. Like this is pulled, so you got to understand, the bullet went right through this area and we just pulled it apart. So you can see, yeah, so we just sliced down the middle so you can see right here in the middle, all that shredded meat, that is what the bullet did to the meat, not what the knife did. Okay, and then it went through that cartilage piece and then it carried on to the other side of the bird. Yeah, so you can see where it's coming right through there. Is that the bullet hole, or is it a little bit lower than that? Okay, yep, there's the exit. Amazing. there you go, guys. It's 0.338 inches of expansion. That's pretty good. Now, you need to consider that the 22 long rifle, the wounding potential from the 22 long rifle, or stopping power, if you want to say that, is does not come from massive deposition of energy into the tissues. It comes from the penetration from the round itself, punching a hole through an organ, through an artery, and structures like that. Now, this may not look like a normal expansion for a hollow point, which is what this really is. It is actually this expansion that we're seeing here is almost textbook. If you look in the CCI Velocitor's catalog, which you can get online, the CCI catalog, you'll see that this is actually exactly what you expect to see from this round in expansion. The reason why that it does this way is due to the bullet construction itself. This is what CCI considers their mini gold dot. So you can see that it's not a very deep cavity there. It's more or less designed to peel back and flatten. So it's kind of an interesting round, but it's definitely something that will penetrate, and that is really where you want to see one of these 22 long rifles performing. And that's what CCI states, is that it is really for penetration. Now, the numbers we recorded off this were 1,098 feet per second, and that equated to about 107 foot-pounds of energy. So you can tell that this is a pretty good load, and that's from a 4.2-inch barrel. So it's going to be much greater from a rifle-length barrel, and it's going to be a little less from, maybe from like a Walther P22 or something like that with a shorter barrel. So anyway, I'm definitely calling this a win, guys. As you can see from the video, we got a lot of tissue disruption and a lot of penetration. We went through the bird, and we went through 2 jugs of water. And I think that is great penetration. That's going to more than get the job done. If you guys are carrying 22 long rifle for self-defense, I really recommend this round, and I recommend that you check out my video that compares this with the CCI Stinger. So it's going to be the Velocitor versus the Stinger video. And that is a pretty good video to discuss some of the ballistics and some of the reasons why I choose this round over the Stinger. So, alright guys, thank you very much for watching. Make sure that you leave a comment and down below. Also, if you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit the like button, because it does help the video out, and it helps us grow as a channel. Also, favoriting helps out as well, and it helps us continue to do what we're doing. So, guys, thank you very, very much for watching, as always, and we will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks. See ya.